Right then guys, here we have a 1951 Ferguson Ted20 Petrol Tvo tractor, fully restored to concours condition, and I'm about to give it a cold start. First start of the day. Just had the battery on charge, which I've just taken off. These Draper battery chargers are really good. So the procedure is, here we go. I've got one of these battery isolators, so you just turn that a few times clockwise. That will engage the power again. Now I find those isolators really good if you're leaving a vehicle for a while. It doesn't drain anything down or anything. So that's that there. Key. There we go. So the ignition is there. So when I turn the key, that light should come on. Yes, it does. Right. So let's go around. Fuel is here. So the fuel tap to the right is on. And you come over here. As you can see, it's completely cold. Now you would not be able to touch that. It hasn't been started at all today. So I'm hoping it's going to go. Now the start on this is first gear. You just move it into the start position there. It looks like first gear, but here we go. So I'm going to put the key on. There we go. I'm not going to try any choke. I'm just going to give it a little shot. There we go. How's that? Wow, what a lovely thing. That is absolutely lovely. I fitted one of these Aruga horns as well, which is nice. There we go, with the button. How's that? I'll just turn that down on tick over. That is so sweet. Surely you agree with that. The lights, everything works on this. Lights, there we go, I'll show you. Look at that. Now that is a thing of beauty. The paintwork as well. Just lovely. That's original Fergie grey. Massey Ferguson's a few years later were in red. Everything works, the PTOs, everything, it's all been tested. Lovely. Nice little toolbox as well. Keep your cloths. Turn that fuel off now. Wow, that is a thing of beauty. Just love these old Fergies. Brilliant. Hope you enjoyed that. Please like and subscribe, as there's going to be many more to follow. Cheers guys.